rock girl. Rock it to rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways.
Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what time it is? It is time for a 30-second card in, who knows at this point, right? Sometimes it's 4.5 minutes, sometimes it's 5 minutes, sometimes I have a really crazy day and it's like in the 8s, but you never know. You never know. Now, I do know, hang on, I need some chapstick. I do know that I am making a card. I have to make a card for Colin's birthday. Now, who is Colin? Colin is my son-in-law, and we are going to take him to dinner tonight for his birthday. Oh, Kenny, by the way, I need money to put in his card. He's like all laughing because who has cash nowadays? Okay, but I'm gonna make him a card because I need a card for him, and of course I'm gonna make him a handmade card, and I don't have one handy, so I figured I'll make him one out of my 30-second card videos. So what I did was I literally grabbed, because I know you can't see it, but there's a shelf right here in my, so I have my table and my shelf and then another shelf further down and then a drawer system. Well, right here I just keep my extra paper, so I literally just grabbed some cardstock and I pulled out the pinks because obviously Colin doesn't want pink, but some of it's scratch paper. You can see some are cut out. Here's one that was cut out and stamped. You just never know. So I just grabbed a whole bunch of paper. I had some paper pads. I keep some extra paper pads right here. And I pulled some that have some more boy colors, but so you see, I could just have them right there and they're on that shelf. So I grabbed some of those and I grabbed some ribbons because I had some extra ribbons here. Tiffany would be a little disappointed. It's kind of unorganized right now, but Tiffany's my best friend. Did you know that? Tiffany from Totally Tiffany. So go check out her stuff. I have a lot of her products because she has awesome organization skills. Just let me tell you. She came to our warehouse one time and she just kind of went, oh. Because creative people aren't organized. So she's there to organize us. So Kenny, are you getting ready? He's like left. I don't know where he went. Kenny, are you around? Yeah. Okay. So, oh, and I'm gonna try to use, actually I know I'm gonna use the party hat because Colin would love the party hat. He'll think it's funny. So, Kenneth Barnard, are you ready to start the time? He says yes, even though you probably didn't hear him. On your marks, hang on, cutting pad. On your marks, I wish I had a ponytail for my hair. It's getting hot in here. On your marks, get set. Start the time. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is I'm going to cut a piece of cardstock, and oh no, I'm gonna cut, do I have any white? Oh, I wanna do white. I wanna do white as a base because, here's some white. I wanna do white as a base because then I can stamp on the inside. So I'm going to score this. What's funny is we'll have to make Colin watch this video after I'm done. Now, I have my score line. I'm gonna get the biggest die in the kit. I'm gonna lay it down where it says place fold here, and I'm gonna run that through the machine. Now I'm gonna run it through twice because it's faster. I mean, it's not faster, but I wanna make sure I get a really clean cut. So I'm gonna run that through. And meanwhile, I'm thinking about what other colors I'm gonna use here. So I have my little, dun, 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 my little card. And let's see, what other colors are we gonna use? We need to add some red, so I'm gonna lay that down. Oh, you know what? No, I wanna do some like pattern paper, so hang on. Ooh, this one's fun. Let's do this one. So we're gonna use this one instead. And we're going to get, I'm not even going to use the dots because that might slow me down. So we're going to lay that down and we're going to run that through. I should have added something else in there while I was doing that, but oh well. So I ran that through. Dun, 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 dun. Fold it cards are so fast. Get some adhesive. Gotta find some adhesive. Oh, I like that background too. Oh gosh, oh well. Okay, we're going to lay that down right there. And then, now you'll see I don't have a real point there, but that's okay because we are going to add a little bow. Now with the bow, we'll add the little red, and then we need fluff. So let's do fluff in the red and in the, where'd my white go? And in the white. Dun, 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 dun. So luckily I have a big machine here, so I'm gonna lay both of those down. I'm gonna run these, run these all through at the same time. Get on there, guy. And, well, stay on there. Gotta get all, oh, I don't know if it's all gonna fit. I hope it does. Nothing's worse than not getting it all the way here. I'm gonna move my cutting pad and run it back through just to make sure I got it all die cut. There's nothing worse than not having it all die cut. Now we have our fluff. We have this piece here. Good, it got all cut. And we have our little bow. Now we're gonna get that off there. We're gonna add some adhesive. And we're gonna add this adhesive. Look how fast these cards are. They're so dang awesome. Now we're gonna add some adhesive to this, but I'm gonna add it to my card base here. And I'm gonna add that right there. Now you can do it this, oh, I'm gonna do it that way. So I'm gonna add my cute little there, and then I'm gonna add, whoops, ooh, lost a die. Add some to the tip there. And look how fast these cards are. Gosh, I should do these all the time. Now we're gonna add that. Now we need to stamp on the inside. So I'm gonna open that up and I'm gonna stamp, it's time to party, it's your birthday. Now should I do it there? No, I'm gonna do it on here. So it's time to party. And we need to find a block that's not dirty, but oh well. We're gonna use a dirty block. Ooh, and I get ink all over me. You guys never get ink on you, right? Ha, 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 ha. Okay, it's time to party. So we're gonna add that right there. Ugh. Okay, and then let's see what else. We need to add something to the front because it doesn't look perfect yet. What do we have? What do we have? Come on, you guys, throw some ideas out at me. Ooh, cute. Check this out. Some little felt stars. Oh my word, I just love it when I do something fun like this. Look how cute this is. Look at this. Oh my gosh, sorry, I didn't mean to yell. I get excited. Don't you guys get excited when you come up with a really good idea? Okay, so we're adding the blue. Stop, stop, stop. What? Ah, he's not even, no, what are you doing? You're not even paying attention. He was at his desk. He didn't even have the timer in his hand. No fair. I scared the dog. I'm sorry. I probably woke up half of your husbands that are asleep. You didn't even stop the time.
This is the accurate time.
No, it's not the accurate time. What does it say? Okay, that is so not fair. I'm totally done with this awesome. I'm so mad I'm gonna scream. Oh, sorry, I already did. Okay, look, I hope you guys didn't have earphones in and just go, ah. But I'm so mad. I'm not mad, but I'm like, what the heck? Look how cute this is. Colin's gonna love it. So open it up. It's time to party. It's your birthday. And it's gonna fit in a standard A2 size envelope. Kenneth Barnard, you are fired. What's the fake time say? Because he didn't even have the timer in his hand. He had to get out of his chair and run to the timer. He's all, what? No way. Is that true? So it was less than that even, right? World record, even with the mess up of the timekeeper. First of all, we're firing the timekeeper. I think we're gonna hire the dog to be the timekeeper from now on. Oh my gosh. That was a world record, you guys. Are you excited? I know you're not as excited as I am, which this is awesome. I'm awesome. I deserve like a Diet Coke right now or something. This is so awesome. Can I get a round of applause right now? Everybody, come on. Come on. Hey, you too. Come on. Everybody needs to clap. Ready? My dog's going, what's going on? Come on. Some of you aren't clapping yet. Thank you. Thank you. Even with the mess up of the timekeeper, whom shall be remain nameless, Ken, 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Now, I think we could take off about 7 seconds because of lame-o over here. So let's say 3 hours and 3 hours. Let's say 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Whoa, the crowd goes wild because we have Fold-Its in our life. Stephanie Barnard, the inventor of Fold-Its, has now created the 3-minute card and 3-minute, 40-second card. I'm so proud of myself, I'm gonna pee in my pants. That is awesome. And I stamped the inside, Ken.
What about the back?
I did not stamp the back because Colin knows I made it. But anyway, that is awesome. I rock. I deserve a medal. Somebody better make me a blue ribbon. I'm telling you, this is awesome. Write this date down in history because this is the best time I've ever done and one of the best cards I've ever made. Yes. Thank you so much for joining me for a 30-second card in 3 minutes and 40 seconds. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you wanna know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I